Welcome to Cozy Room. Got a room upgrade. Thanks for Sofitel. Very happy with the room. I was busy to rushing out for vlogging sauna. So I'm going to show you the bedroom first. This is the bedroom. It has a very beautiful view of the Lumpini Park. I've been to Bangkok so many times, about 10 years. I did not know that the Lumpini Park is so beautiful. And here is the bedroom. The bed is huge. And then there's a round sofa and the working deck. So overlook at this a beautiful view. And this is what is it? The amenity. Oh wow! Is that a card? Okay, not that beautiful to be the postcard. And then the power plug with a local power plug and the four USB port for local power plug. And check out this kinky bathtub. It's super kinky. Oh my god, I would love to post all my sexy photo here. And there's a hair conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel, rain shower, and the handheld shower. It looks like a very cute Japanese onsen. And then this is the toilet. And come with the bidet. Okay, so bottom, don't worry, you're taking care for. The room is a little bit small, but very well designed. I'm going to the closet now. Sean, you don't have to hide. Okay, I am going to show them the closet. This is the hanger area. Put your luggage. Sorry, we are a little bit messy now. And the seat for the makeup table, weighing scale, all this. So we are going to the afternoon tea and then I'll show you what you can get in the evening cocktail hour. This is a club lounge. We're coming here for the afternoon tea. We love the club lounge. It's have a lot of natural light and you can go outside for the outdoor seat. Then here you get the sandwiches. And then the muffin is super cute. Super tiny muffin and super tiny scone, which is perfect. I don't like big scone because that big scone is like quite annoying, quite dry. And here's the soft drinks. And oh my god, the cake looks beautiful. Chocolate cake and the Thai dessert. This is Sean's favorite. Guava juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, and dry fruits. And cheese, blue cheese, and smoked chicken. And more bread right over here, and waffle, and popcorn. Let's see, anyone here? Lovely, no one. I like their uniform. All the staff have a very beautiful uniform. So look forward to enjoy the evening cocktail later. Now is evening happy hour time. You can get some sushis right over here. The spicy salmon salad. Oh, that's my favorite. The glass noodle salad and spicy mushroom salad. There's a lot of salad right over here. Then a tuna tart, mixed fried vegetable. Oh, that's good. That's kind of like a Japanese thing. Then there's vodka, gin, easy mix. So you can create your own cocktail here. Sparkling wine, red wine, white wine. There's a prawn cocktail. And the same desserts. Different dessert from different cake. And the blue cheese again. So let me enjoy the... Oh, Sean is here. Hey. Here is a breakfast in the club lounge. Lesser selections, and but they display it beautifully. Green curry, fried chicken, fried rice. Oh, there's a honeycomb here, and no ice cream breakfast. Other than what you can get from the buffet, this is the food menu that you can order from the club lounge. It's a signature breakfast. Looks good. This is the Wagyu beef burger in the club lounge for breakfast. And this is the bagel, salmon bagel in the club lounge for the breakfast. This is the detox water juice. It's very nice, fresh fruits. And 4 different types of juices. Here is the gym, 24 hours. There's someone in the free weight room. Okay. That's it. Here is a swimming pool. Weird there's no one at the moment. If you like sun, I think this is a perfect place for you to get a lot of suntan. And I think that's considered a kids pool. Maybe it's not that deep, or it's just a jacuzzi. Yeah, the weather here is like burning hot, so make sure you have a lot of sunscreen right over here. We are going to check out this beautiful hotel now. What do you think about this stay?
Very relaxing. I love the everything about the hotel, and then I like the most. The one thing that I like, number one, is actually of the view, because it's facing greenery, which you hardly come across in the heart of a city, especially a busy city like Bangkok.
It's a Lumpini Park. And then
I think the bed is really comfortable. The only complaint probably I have is regarding the shower. It's very difficult for you to kind of like adjust the temperature of the water. But I think apart from that, there's actually not much of a complaint.
my complaint is the air conditioning in the room. Yeah, regardless of how warm you set, it will be always freezing cold. It's just nice. It's when you sleep, it's a perfect cold temperature, hide under the blanket. But when you just want to relax in the room, or after shower, it's freezing cold. Yeah, I love the staff in the lounge. They are very nice. They are very attentive. I love the breakfast here. The breakfast is amazing. We stay here for 3 nights, and then I always thought the reason why I never want to book this room, because I thought that it's far away from a lot of places. But now we spend like 90% of the time in the hotel. We don't really go out. We only went out to meet our friend for lunch and massage.
And checking out like the night scene, which is just down the road.
We don't really. Oh, we went to the gay bar. It was so fun. Yeah, and I thought that it would be quite away from the gay bar. It's actually walking distance. It's not too bad. Then I think it's a perfect stay. The selection of the food in the happy hour and the afternoon tea, breakfast in the club lounge and the main area also amazing. Yeah, and it's just like, to go up to the room, you have to go to the 9th floor to change the lift. That's super annoying.
Yeah. And it's very near to one of the newest mall in Bangkok, One Bangkok.
Oh, yes.
So, and then there are 2 more properties which are rather new over here. One is Andaz, and then one is Ritz-Carlton.
But One Bangkok is so boring. We don't really have a good impression of the mall.
But I mean, it's just like a newer edition.
I rather go back to Central World or Paragon. Yeah.
Yeah.
So with that, we hope you like this video. Bye
Bye bye.